have a safe and nice day, and I wish you all a very warm welcome for this topic. In the previous video of cell, we have discussed generally the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. In this video, we are going to discuss about the detailed structure of a prokaryotic cell, that is a bacterial cell. Okay, the basic differences we have already discussed. The prokaryotes are smaller in size in comparison to eukaryotes, and these prokaryotes consist of outer membrane system, cytoplasm, and a definite nucleus is absent in them. Okay, let's see. In case of prokaryotes, the outermost membrane, the outermost covering is glycocalyx. The glycocalyx may be hard or it may be soft. When the glycocalyx is hard, or sometimes it is soft. When the glycocalyx is hard, it is called as capsule. When it is soft, it is called as slime layer. Okay, slime layer. It is the glycocalyx. Below the glycocalyx layer, there is cell wall. Below the cell wall, there is cell membrane. All these three, glycocalyx, cell wall and cell membrane, togetherly produces cell envelope. So the prokaryotes are externally covered by cell envelope. Cell envelope consists of glycocalyx, cell wall and cell membrane. The cell wall is formed of non-cellulosic substance and cell membrane is formed of lipid and protein. Clear? Let's discuss about some outer structures present in the prokaryotic cell. It is found that on its outer surface, a number of finger-like structures like this, finger-like structures are found, which help in holding the prokaryotic cell or holding the bacteria. These finger-like cell structures are called as fimbriae. Okay, it helps in holding the organism at a specific place. Okay, sometimes it is found that a long structure extended like fimbriae. This long structure is meant to transfer the genetic makeup during conjugation, which is called as pili. Okay, there is a difference between pili and fimbriae. Okay, in some cases there are flagella. The flagella may be single or many flagella arising from the membrane. This is flagella. The flagella is formed of flagellin. Tubulin is found in eukaryotic cell, but here it is flagellin. This flagella do not have 9+2 arrangement absent. We have already discussed 9+2 microfibrillar arrangement is absent. On its outer surface, sometimes small hair like structures are found. These are called as cilia. So cilia, flagella, villi, fimbriae, these are various external structures which are found in prokaryotic cell. Clear? So the cellular envelope and all outer structures have been described under microscopic field. Let's see about the modification of plasma membrane. The cell membrane or plasma membrane, it get folded off. In some places it has been folded off enormously or producing small folds. What are these folds? These folds are mesosome. Mesosome. What are the functions of mesosome? How the mesosomes are organized? Look at here. These are the mesosomes. These are the mesosomes which are folding of cell membrane. We know the inner membrane of mitochondria is also folded like it. Suppose this is mitochondria. Its inner membrane folded to produce cristae. These are cristae. What are the function of cristae? The cristae help in carrying out mitochondrial respiration, ATP synthesis. Like this, here these analogous structure, the mesosomes of prokaryote are analogous to mitochondria because here respiratory enzymes are found. Many respiratory enzymes are found which help in synthesis of ATP. Okay, respiratory enzymes are found in mesosome. What are other functions of mesosome? Mesosome help in division of chromosome. It also help in increasing the surface area of the membrane. The surface area increased, help in carrying out respiration, and it also help in division of chromosome. Okay, so these are the function of mesosome. The mesosome is analogous to mitochondria. What is analogous organ? When the function is similar, structure may be variable but the function is similar respiration. Okay, then come to another structure, chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll. Most of these prokaryotes are heterotrophics, but in some prokaryotes chlorophyll pigments are found. Chlorophyll, these help in photosynthetic activity of the individual. The mesosome, the folding of the mesosome shows depositions. It produces the deposition of pigments. Okay, chlorophyll, the chlorophylls are found, chlorophyll found within the mesosome. It is called as chromatophore. These chromatophores are regarded as the photosynthetic organelles in case of mitochondria. Except chromatophore, inside its cytoplasm there are some inclusion bodies. What are inclusion bodies? In case of eukaryotes, there are specific compartments. यूकैरियोट में क्या होगा, उसका साइटोप्लाज्म में ऐसे छोटा छोटा स्मॉल कंपार्टमेंट्स आर फाउंड. एक कंपार्टमेंट क्या करेगा, इट हेल्प इन स्टोरेज ऑफ एटीपी, स्टोरेज ऑफ फूड, स्टोरेज ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट, स्टोरेज ऑफ प्रोटीन, स्टोरेज ऑफ लिपिड, but these compartments never occur in prokaryotes. In prokaryotes, these are called as inclusion bodies. Then what are the inclusion bodies in prokaryotes? The major inclusion bodies are the storage glycogen. It is the first inclusion body, glycogen. Storage glucose are stored. In case of cyanobacteria, cyanophysian stars. Cyanobacteria, there is cyanophysian stars found in cyanobacteria, not in other, in cyanophysian stars found in it. Phosphate granules, this is phosphate granule. All these components are regarded as storage granule in case of bacteria. Well, these storage granule in prokaryotes are called as inclusion bodies. Inclusion body. Okay, these are inclusion body. Chromatophore inclusion body. Then next to inclusion body, if we account for cell organelle, only 70S ribosomes are found. This 70S ribosome is not a membrane bound organelle. Okay. Then finally the genetic material. The genetic material in prokaryotes consists of circular DNA. Circular DNA. Okay. This circular DNA is without histone. There is no histone in it. There is no boundary around the genetic material because membrane bound organelles are absent. This DNA is called as this is circular DNA or chromosome. This circular DNA or chromosome, it form the genetic material. Okay. This genetic material is otherwise called as nucleus, and the region where the nucleus is present is called as genophore. The DNA, except this DNA, another extra chromosomal DNA called as plasmid. What is the function of plasmid? The plasmid provide antibiotic resistance. It help in conjugation process. The plasmids have various functions. Sometimes the DNA remain attached with RNA and ribosome. This 70S ribosome attached to RNA form polyribosome or polysome. Okay, proteins are synthesized from it. So it is all about the structure of prokaryotic cell or typical bacterial cell. Okay, in the forthcoming video we will discuss about eukaryotic cell in detail. Thank you all.